there is the concept of optimal performance, because you have to performance by any hook or crook. So until and unless you are able to perform optimally, you will not be able to get successful. That's why optimal performance skills are relevant. Then is why parents need optimal performance skills. So thing is that students, when they are prepared for performance, they often suffer from emotional issues, and they try to avoid studies and blame teachers and institutions for that. So parents need to understand the optimal performance skills, that the student is not mentally stable and he is running away from the performance. He is having certain sort of performance anxiety or any emotional issue related with the performance. So they must understand this and try to counsel the child so that he don't run away from the complex situations of life and is able to bear the brunt of it. So next thing is that our mind-brain system is not developed until we work on it. Most of the students just see the picture of a topper students in the newspaper, and they visualize that if we get selected, if we just get trained by that particular education system, then certainly we'll be toppers. But they forget the fact that there are lakhs of students who prepared with the guidance of that institution or with that education system. Then why everybody is not the topper? The thing is that any education system can provide you the training programs, can provide you the technicalities, can provide you the process. You have to implement that process in your mind-brain system, and that implementation is where the things are different. It's not so easy to do anything. When you can think big, but when you implement them, you will have to face resistance even from yourself, because naturally brain is designed to make you survive and exist. So whatever you think is just limited by the elliptical trajectories of food, water and reproduction. So if you want to do something beyond that elliptical trajectory, you need to go beyond the limits of that ellipse. Then you need to fight with yourself. You need to fight with your own, the flight mode. So there is the point where the challenges comes. Everybody out of us, every human is trapped by a matrix of what he or she has done in his life. And there are internal suggestions, there are internal emotions which tries to trap you within that matrix, which is called the prarabdha, because prarabdha is ultimately stored within your mind-brain system. Just see yourself, just feel the energies within yourself, the energies operating within yourself. So there are 3 types of energies. One is negative, another is positive, and third is neutral one. So whatever you do is under the influence of these energies, and that prarabdha, or that the impact of what you have done previously, it affects you emotionally, it disturbs your emotions, and you have to fight with that thing if you want to get rid, if you want to do something better in your life. So if you have done something wrong in life, then you have to work on that, to remove that thing from yourself and to experience the higher dimensions of life. Because we blame it on luck, we blame it on people, we blame it on the surrounding. But the matter of fact is, there is a complete system within you, there is a complete matrix within you which contains everything, which records every work that is being executed by you. So whether it was good or bad, everything is stored in memories of your mind-brain system. And until and unless you work on those things, you can't achieve the higher dimensions of life. You have to fight with the existing negativities of your system, because the problem is only about negative things. With positive things, there are no issues involved, everything is good. But issue comes with the negative things. So you have to understand this fact